What are we on, Luke?
The train.
Yeah?
Yeah, can I look at the map?
Ooh, the maze. There's Dad. You're filming too, I take it?
Yep.
Hi, Spencer. Say hi. Spencer.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone. Happy Halloween. Say happy Halloween.
No.
You don't want to?
Oh, look at the scarecrow.
Hey, Bergie.
Who is that?
Did you hear your daddy scream?
Who is that?
I think I got it on film too.
Who was that?
He was a scary guy. You screamed more than the kids.
Who was that scary guy?
You tried to scare your dad.
What, is he a bitter? Who is he?
No, he was a goblin.
How do you know?
Did he scare you?
What do you mean a goblin?
He was a goblin. He was kidding.
Well, then why was he scared?
He was just kidding. Here's our train ride.
Mommy, where's the goblin now?
I don't know. Maybe he'll pop out somewhere else.
Maybe he's trying to chase us.